talk to me about your hair a little bit.
More volume.
So
I want to keep the length, but I feel like a little bit more.
You want more shape.
Yes.
So you're not necessarily to go up here. You're looking to kind of broaden out?
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
If I had to move you up a certain amount to get you some really solid shape to where it's like, wow, look at the shape on that, where would you be mad at me?
I kind of want to keep the length.
So you'd be mad at me if I move it up much at all?
Just a little bit, but not like drastically.
Where's a little bit to you?
Maybe.
Okay, gotcha. Not saying we can't do that, but when you want to get this, watch what lifts up when I do that. See how this hair starts to separate away from the length? So what happens, I can connect it, but you're gonna have a lot less hair down towards the lower end, which is gonna make it appear less. And if I do that, and I feel like it's, the shape's there, but it's gonna look stringy at the ends, is that something that doesn't bother you?
I would want it to look full.
The reason why your hair got cut the way that it is cut is because you told her, I'm assuming along the lines of, I want to keep my length. Everybody wants you to look full if they're halfway decent artist. And so to keep you long, what you don't want is somebody to like, cool, I got you the shape and I left you the length, because now you look like a jellyfish. It's like, cool, you got the shape and then you got the string sticking out, which is unfortunately all too common. Based on the length and the density that you have, just do what I can on the shape there, and that's my limit, correct?
Yeah, we could take off a little bit, but not like drastic.
Sure.
Yeah.
But I mean, like, you would be upset if I got you here.
A little bit longer, yeah.
Okay. If I got you here, you'd be like, oh, it's fine, no big deal? Or is that too much? Hey, you're sweating already.
A little bit.
A little
Yeah.
further down.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Do you hear what I'm saying?
Yes.
I'm limited, if that's how much I can take off, I'm limited on how much shape I can create. And as long as you're okay with that limitation, I just don't want you to be mad at me like, there's hardly any shape here. You'll be like, there's hardly any shape here because I want to keep my length and keep it full. You're already on InnerSense everything? Sleeping with it wet?
Actually, I have not been sleeping with the wet. No.
Okay, good. Do you put any oils in it? Awesome. And you're not heat styling it? Cool. How often are you shampooing?
Once a week.
This is great. I don't want to leave you like that. I don't want to be like, all right, cool. Well, she said she wanted more shape, so I gave it to her. And yeah, when it's pulled in front, like, oh, yay. But in the back, you've got that going on. I feel like that makes me a bad person. And I don't want to take your money if I'm leaving you with problems that I don't think you should have. Does that make you like go like, all right, you can bump it up a little bit more, or you want me to leave it?
We'll do a little bit more. I just want to like really short.
I'm not saying it's a total problem solve, but it'll help. But we'll meet in the middle.
Yeah, I just don't want to be too short.
I don't want you to be too short either. I know that you're letting me press you a little, and I won't press too hard, but know that in us pressing a bit, your hair will grow in better. And then when I see you again, I'll pop it back up a little bit more, and then so that way you'll have the shape that you're looking for, but also that density. But this did not get cut right. I'm very disappointed that is what happened. I apologize on behalf of the curl community. It shouldn't happen like that. Don't want to lose the length, but I don't want to leave you stringy. We're gonna meet in the middle.